Torsten Spittler. Coach, it was a disappointing result. You played well, you created many chances, but unfortunately you didn't score. Tell us, as a technician, what went wrong? How was the game in general, the 90 minutes?
Yeah, first I'm very sad for the lot of spectators that came today to support us. I think they would have deserved a better result. I think we did a good match. As you said, we created chances. The problem is that we are not cool enough in front of the goal. This is something hard to train. We can only try, and I think everybody saw that we were trying from the first minute. We knew we have to win. Normally also Libya had to win. I didn't really see that they were trying. They were sitting back, what was also difficult for us then, and waiting then for a counter-attack. That happened once, and otherwise I think they hadn't really a lot of chances to score a goal. So we had the chances, and we, as I said, we are not cool enough in front of the goal. So if you don't score and the other team is scoring one goal, then you are losing 1-0, and that's the fact we have to live with. I can't really blame the team for any other things. So it's a bad day. Days like that happen in football. Unfortunately, not always the team that may deserve to win is getting the 3 points, but okay, I think that's what I told my boys. Sure, they were very sad now in the dressing room. I said a good team is showing also the situation, how to handle a bad day like today. We have to stand up, and now we have another very difficult match in front of us. We are for sure not giving up. Anyhow, the going to the AFCON is now very difficult, maybe impossible. So then we just try to make a good match against Nigeria again, and then we have to look for the future, what will happen. Okay, there are different ways how you come close to the goal, and normally you, especially if teams are sitting back and waiting, the best way is to go through the flanks. And okay, now that's what we are also doing in the training. You can try to cross the ball in the box. Then we are normally trying to get also the players in the box, because if you have only one player in the box, it's difficult. So we normally have at least 3 players in the box when the cross ball is coming. So we are prepared. Now the question is the finishing. We also are doing training for situations that we are dribbling in the box, and then we also have plans. Now we are talking about tactics, how the player should move, where you should play the ball. But in the end, we also had chances by shooting. In the end, you have to get the ball in the net. So our players, they shoot it close to the goal, but not into the goal. And as I said, if you don't get the ball in the net, then it's not a goal. I think we tried in different ways. I would have liked, I don't know, sometimes we are doing corner balls in the trainings especially, and today the players I told them the goalkeeper is tall, but he's not moving from the goal line. So get the ball between the penalty point and the 6-yard box. Okay, we are doing it in the training. It's more or less working in the training. It's not working in the match. I can't shoot the corner balls by myself, and I can't do the header by myself. We had chances. Also, the goalkeeper was just shortly before the end was doing a very good save to get the ball out. I can't really tell you what to do now better. You have sometimes these balls are going in, and in this match we had enough situations where we could score, or we had to score, and yeah, we did not, unfortunately. I'm not quitting. My contract is ending, and this is a normal situation. And the federation is thinking about the future, and I am thinking about the future. For me, the future is quite clear. So the situation is as it is, and there is still some time. But sure, a result like that is disappointing everybody. It's also disappointing me, and I think it's not now the right moment to think about if I stay or if I go. I think you and we have seen a team that is improving and is playing good football. It is not scoring. All our matches, even when we are winning, we are only winning by 1 goal, and you have to wait until the end and hope that nothing happens like today. Today it happened, and yeah, then it's just a bad day for everybody, and I don't think we should talk about my contract now. Yeah, okay. As long as there is a chance to qualify, we will do everything for it. So for sure, we have to win in Nigeria, and that's what we are trying. The chance to win in Nigeria is not very high, but there's always a chance, and that's what I tell my players. And even if the results, I don't know the other results now today, the results are that the match will not count for anything, then it is still something. It's a big match to play against some of the best players in the world. So this is what I will tell my players. When you are grandfather, you will talk about this match, and it doesn't really matter then if you are qualifying for AFCON or not, but to try your best and to show good football. And okay, we showed it in the last match against Nigeria, that we can do a good match against them. It's always the question then, are you scoring or are you not scoring? And that's we have to wait. But for sure we will not go there, even if you can't qualify anymore. About the results, as I said, I don't know of today. We will try to play good football, and there are bad days like today, and maybe we have a very nice day in 4 days or 5 days. You see, now there's 12 months I'm here now, and there was a lot of difficulties. You don't know from the beginning until the last days. It was never easy. The situation is not getting easier for me because of the rules of the federation. If I go into the stadium and watch the players, I don't see them because they are sitting on the bench because of 12 foreign players. So there are a lot of things that are really disappointing me, and they are not helping me in my work. I will carefully think about whatever, and okay, if I should not continue, first it's a question of the federation, then it's my decision, but I think the team has improved, and every coach that is coming after me will have a team he can work with, and he can try to make the next step. I hope you will get a good coach who can make them score. All the other things are quite well working. So that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Coach. Thank you.